Happy Valentine's Day to everyone here in the Sunrise side. Looking at those temperatures today, very similar to what we saw on Monday. Only major difference is that it's cloudy instead of sunny. But right now into those upper 30s to low 40s, 37 in Onaway, Rogers City, and Atlanta, 39 in Mayo, 42 in Oscoda and Tawas City. Looking at those winds, we're still dealing with now a bit of a shift. Yesterday we're dealing more of a southerly flow. Now the winds are starting to shift more out of the west as the cold front is getting closer and closer towards us, with winds averaging between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Lightest spot is Alpena at 8. Blusterier as we go towards the south from Harrisville all the way down to Tawas at 16, 11 in Atlanta, 10 in Mayo. We are under a winter weather advisory for the northern portion of northeast Michigan, and it starts at 5 p.m. later on this evening, goes all the way till 5 a.m. on Wednesday, and this includes Oscoda, Montmorency, Alpena, and Presque counties. When it comes to what to expect, I'll have that in just a moment, but here is what's going to be the timeline for the snow. We'll begin sometime after sunset, and it's going to continue through a good portion of the evening and into the early overnight. The cold front itself will pass right after midnight, and that's really when the temperatures will begin to plummet a lot more quickly. We'll see temperatures barely moving at all on Wednesday. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, a slight chance of a snow shower still possible on Wednesday, and by Thursday, that's really when the clouds begin to break apart altogether, and then by Friday, we'll begin to transition into some warmer air that will really bump our temperatures up into those 40s by Saturday. But here's what to expect for this Valentine's evening if you're going to have that special dinner with someone. We're going to start out in those mid-30s at 5 p.m., increasing those snow chances throughout the evening, eventually falling into those upper 20s by 11 p.m. And the main concern by then is those winds. We will see those winds pick up throughout the evening, especially with that cold front getting closer and closer. And here's what to expect when it comes to accumulations and winds. Accumulations 1 to 3 inches. Winds out of the northwest between 10 to 20 miles per hour, but gusts could be up to 35. And that visibility will become reduced with that blowing snow. So make sure to slow down on those roads. And here's what to look at for your Wednesday. 23 degrees in your morning, 40% chance of snow. That snow chance is decreasing throughout the day. Sunshine is possible throughout the afternoon, and that moonlight also breaking out in the evening as those temperatures rock down towards 10 degrees. Very similar number to what we wake up on Friday morning. The good news is the remainder of the work week and going into the weekend is going to become spectacular. We're going to have sunny skies, afternoon highs into those mid to upper 40s. There's an outside chance we could even get up to 50 degrees. And by the time we deal with the next system, it's mostly going to be in the form of liquid in rain by next Tuesday.